It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. So, why do we only count the bugs when an AI writes them? And sometimes, I guess, when a self driving car crashes, which also is AI? Anyway, rsync is the 30-year-old tool that quietly copies files underneath like half the internet. And version 3.43 shipped a regression that broke some incremental backups. It was a real bug, nobody disputes it. But then some people noticed that the new commits were tagged Tridge and Claude. Well, Andrew Tridgell, who wrote rsync and is a big reason Git exists in the first place, had been pairing by coding with an AI. And the internet did what the internet does and just detonated. A GitHub thread with a title that would definitely get this video demonetized pulled like 329 comments. It had fork threats, it had blacklists. People were posting drawings of violence over a file copying utility. I have watched Dallas Cowboys fans, of which I am one, handle a playoff loss with more grace. That isn't a compliment to anyone. And the verdict was instantaneous and virtually unanimous. AI has ruined a tool that we have trusted for decades. And almost nobody asked the one question that would test this theory. So, where do most of the bugs come from? Well, somebody finally counted. Across rsync's history, the buggiest release ever was version 3.4.1, which had 59 bugs across 9 commits, and it had not one line of AI in it. The release that everyone was furious about had 17, and the AI assisted version right before it had 0. So you run the numbers, and there is no signal that AI releases were getting buggier. Quite the contrary. I will tell you, being a data scientist myself, telling people that the data shows nothing does not satisfy a crowd that already has identified its villain. So the worst release rsync ever shipped passed without an angry threat, and definitely not threats of violence, because the only name on those commits was a human, and oh, humans make mistakes, and we understand it. But the reaction came down to one word in the commit log, which was the word Claude. The bug got fixed the way bugs do, and it didn't require a manhunt or anything like that. So for any executive deciding what AI gets to touch, that's kind of the whole game. Does it make it better? Does it make it worse? You grade the machine against a human, it comes out pretty well. If you grade the machine against perfection, and then you grade humans against nothing, all you've really designed is, I guess, a blame engine. So, when did we start holding AI to a standard that we never actually held ourselves to? Well, until next time, keep asking good questions. If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.